Deep within you, hidden from the everyday noise of life, lies a powerful force. This force is often overlooked, yet it is always present, always working, always influencing. It is the silent partner in your journey, the unseen hand that shapes your destiny. A silent partner working tirelessly, shaping your reality, your subconscious mind. This part of you is constantly active, even when you are not aware of it. It processes information, stores memories, and influences your decisions in ways you might not even realize. Like the stars that guide a lost traveler, your subconscious guides you. It is a beacon in the dark, a source of wisdom and insight that can lead you to your true path. When you are lost or uncertain, it is your subconscious that provides the answers, often in subtle and mysterious ways. It influences your thoughts, your feelings, your actions, even your dreams. Every emotion you feel, every decision you make, is touched by the power of your subconscious. It is the driving force behind your habits, your beliefs, and your perceptions of the world around you. This incredible power within you is a treasure trove of untapped potential. It holds the secrets to your greatest strengths and your deepest fears. By tapping into this reservoir, you can unlock abilities and talents you never knew you had. It holds the key to unlocking your deepest desires, your wildest dreams. Imagine a life where you are in tune with this inner force, where you can harness its power to achieve your goals and fulfill your aspirations. The possibilities are endless when you learn to work with your subconscious mind. Understanding this hidden world is the first step towards a life of purpose, joy, and abundance. By becoming aware of your subconscious mind and learning to communicate with it, you can transform your life in profound ways. Embrace this silent partner and let it guide you to a future filled with endless possibilities and boundless joy. Imagine your subconscious mind as a vast computer. It runs on programs, beliefs you have picked up throughout your life. These beliefs, like lines of code, dictate how you experience the world. Some beliefs empower you, while others hold you back. Have you ever wondered why some people effortlessly attract success while others struggle? The answer often lies in their subconscious programming. By understanding how these programs work, you can begin to rewrite them. You can replace limiting beliefs with empowering ones. Just as gravity governs the physical world, universal laws govern our inner world. These laws are the unseen forces that shape our experiences, our emotions, and our very existence. They are the silent guardians of our journey, ensuring that we are always on the path to growth and self-discovery. These laws, constant and unchanging, provide a framework for our growth and evolution. They are the cosmic rules that guide us, much like the stars that have guided travelers for centuries. They are ever present, always influencing our lives in ways we may not even realize. They protect us, guide us, and ensure that we are always moving towards our highest potential. Just as a shooting star lights up the night sky, these laws illuminate our path, showing us the way forward even in the darkest of times. They are our cosmic protectors, always watching over us. The law of attraction, for instance, states that like attracts like. This means that the energy we put out into the universe is the energy we get back. If we focus on positivity and abundance, we attract more of the same into our lives. Conversely, if we dwell on negativity, we draw more negative experiences to us. What you focus your energy on, you attract into your life. This is why it is so important to be mindful of our thoughts and emotions. By cultivating a positive mindset and focusing on our goals, we can harness the power of the law of attraction to manifest our dreams and desires. By aligning your thoughts, beliefs, and actions with the universal laws, you can create a life of abundance and fulfillment. When we live in harmony with these laws, we tap into the infinite potential of the universe. We become co-creators of our reality, shaping our destiny with every thought, word, and action. The journey may be long and sometimes challenging, but with the guardians of our journey by our side, we are always moving towards our highest potential. Reprogramming your subconscious is like planting a garden. You clear the weeds of limiting beliefs and plant the seeds of your desires. The more you nurture these seeds with positive thoughts and emotions, the more they will flourish. Start by identifying the beliefs that no longer serve you. challenge them, question their validity. Replace them with empowering beliefs that support your dreams. Section 5. Visualization, painting your dreams into reality. Imagine your mind as a vast universe filled with stars and planets. Visualization is the key to unlocking this cosmic potential. When you visualize your dreams, you create a celestial map for your subconscious to navigate. Your mind can't tell the difference between a vividly imagined journey and a real one. Close your eyes and picture your dream life as if it's written in the stars. Feel the emotions, hear the sounds, smell the scents. The more real you make it, the quicker your subconscious will align the planets to manifest it. Section 6. Affirmations, speaking your dreams into existence. Words have power. What you repeatedly tell yourself becomes your reality. Affirmations are positive statements that you repeat to yourself, reprogramming your subconscious mind. Choose affirmations that resonate with your desires and repeat them daily with conviction. Instead of saying, "I can't," say, "I am capable." Instead of saying, "I'm not good enough," say, "I am worthy of my dreams." Believe in the power of your words to shape your reality. Section 7. Gratitude, unlocking the abundance within. Gratitude is the key that unlocks the abundance of the universe. It is a powerful emotion that can transform your life in ways you never imagined. When you embrace gratitude, you open the door to a world filled with endless possibilities and opportunities. When you are grateful for what you have, you attract more to be grateful for. This simple yet profound shift in perspective can change your entire outlook on life. It allows you to see the beauty in the mundane and find joy in the little things. Make it a habit to appreciate the good in your life, no matter how small. Keep a gratitude journal, write thank you notes, or simply take a moment each day to reflect on the blessings in your life. These practices can help you cultivate a mindset of abundance and positivity, or simply take a moment each day to reflect on the blessings in your life. By doing so, you train your mind to focus on the positive aspects of your existence, which in turn attracts more positivity and abundance. Gratitude shifts your focus from what you lack to what you have, creating a ripple effect of abundance. It helps you realize that you already possess everything you need to be happy and fulfilled, creating a ripple effect of abundance. This ripple effect extends beyond your own life, influencing those around you and creating a more positive and harmonious environment. When you practice gratitude, you not only improve your own well-being, but also contribute to the collective well-being of others. So, take a moment each day to count your blessings and express your gratitude. You will be amazed at how this simple practice can transform your life and the lives of those around you. Unlock the abundance within and watch as the universe responds with even more to be grateful for. Section 8. The power within. You are the alchemist. You are not a victim of your circumstances. You are a powerful creator with the ability to shape your reality. You have the power to transform your life by transforming your mind. Just as an alchemist transforms base metals into gold, you can transform limiting beliefs into empowering ones. Embrace your power, step into your potential, and create the life of your dreams. Section 9. Conclusion. Awaken the giant within. Within you lies a sleeping giant, a force of unimaginable power waiting to be awakened. Your subconscious mind, when harnessed correctly, can propel you towards a life beyond your wildest dreams. Embrace the journey of self-discovery. Explore the depths of your subconscious mind. Unlock your true potential and create a life of purpose, joy, and abundance. The power is within you. Awaken the giant.